Invisiweld is a technology for joining the seams of IVC's heterogeneous floors. Invisiweld is a bond that's fast and easy to apply to all compact, safety and acoustic vinyl floors from IVC. The Invisiweld Pro Starter Kit contains everything you need to start using Invisiweld. Sheet seams should be neatly cut by overlapping and double cutting. Place the special invisible masking tape centered on the seam of the floors using the roller included in the Pro Starter Kit to ensure good contact between the tape and surface of both sheets. Using the roller cutter included in your Pro Starter Kit, cut through the masking tape. Wear suitable protective gloves. Invisiweld is available in 3 different welding paste types, depending on the application required. Move along the floor steadily, ensuring a consistent bead of welding paste is applied. Wait for 5 minutes to give the welding paste the time to cure and form a strong and invisible Invisiweld bond. Then remove the masking tape by pulling steadily backwards at an angle towards you. The initial application of the paste will diminish, leaving a strong joint that's barely perceivable. While Invisiweld is the best way to install IVC heterogeneous vinyl floors, all of our floors can be installed using hot welding. In fact, for capping and coving, it's the recommended method.